Learn Hindi verbs fast. Try, decide, forget, remember, hope, wish, need and plan in
Hindi.
Welcome to the verb circus. Hey, you're here, and that already means you're doing great. Today you'll learn 8 super useful Hindi verbs without falling asleep on your dictionary. Imagine a tiny theater in your brain. On stage, 8 dramatic verbs are waiting for applause. First comes try.
कोशिश करना.
Then decide.
तय करना.
Then forget.
भूलना.
Then remember.
याद करना.
Then hope.
उम्मीद करना.
Then wish.
चाहना.
Then need.
जरूरत होना.
And finally, plan.
योजना बनाना.
If these verbs were roommates, one would forget the keys, one would plan a spreadsheet for breakfast, and one would just stand by the window and dramatically hope for snacks. A very ambitious morning. Let's drop you into a funny story so the words stick. Just listen and picture the scene. You wake up and say, today I will.
कोशिश करना.
To be productive. Excellent. Very brave. Then you stare at 2 shirts for 10 minutes and finally.
तय करना.
Which one to wear? Victory. Tiny, fabric-based victory. Then you walk to the door and suddenly.
भूलना.
Your phone. Of course you do. You go back, find it, and whisper, I must.
याद करना.
Things better. On the way outside, dark clouds gather, but you.
उम्मीद करना.
The weather will improve. You also.
चाहना.
A giant cup of tea and maybe a miracle. At work, you realize you.
जरूरत होना.
More time, more coffee, and possibly a clone. So you sit down to.
योजना बनाना.
Your day before chaos adopts you. Mini dialogues you can actually use. Now you'll hear short spoken lines you can repeat. These are practical, simple, and slightly more organized than most real life. A. Can you do it? B. Yes, I will.
कोशिश करना.
A. We have 2 options. B. We need to.
तय करना.
Now. A. Did you bring the ticket? B. No, I.
भूलना.
It again. Tragic but relatable. A. Please.
याद करना.
The date. B. I'll write it down this time. A. Will everything be okay? B. I.
उम्मीद करना.
So. A. What do you really want? B. I.
चाहना.
Peace, tea, and 1 uninterrupted nap. A. Do you need help? B. Yes, I.
जरूरत होना.
Help right now. A. What should we do first? B. First, let's.
योजना बनाना.
The day. Memory hooks with extra drama. You don't need boring lists. You need weird mental pictures because your brain loves nonsense. 4.
कोशिश करना.
Imagine pushing a giant door that finally opens because you kept trying. 4.
तय करना.
Picture standing at a fork in the road while a cat judge demands a decision. 4.
भूलना.
Imagine your keys growing tiny legs and running away while your brain shrugs. 4.
याद करना.
Picture a glowing note tied to your finger saying, please remember me. 4.
उम्मीद करना.
Imagine a little lamp shining in the dark. 4.
चाहना.
Imagine reaching for a star like it owes you money. 4.
जरूरत होना.
Picture an empty cup begging for water. 4.
योजना बनाना.
Imagine a banana wearing glasses and organizing your calendar. Yes, a planning banana. Respect the banana. Quick fire quiz. Time for a friendly challenge. Answer in your head or out loud. If you get one wrong, congratulations, you're human. What is the Hindi word for try?
कोशिश करना.
What is the Hindi word for decide?
तय करना.
What is the Hindi word for forget?
भूलना.
What is the Hindi word for remember?
याद करना.
What is the Hindi word for hope?
उम्मीद करना.
What is the Hindi word for wish?
चाहना.
What is the Hindi word for need?
जरूरत होना.
What is the Hindi expression for plan?
योजना बनाना.
Your tiny mission. Now let's make the words yours. Say these like you mean them, even if you're still wearing pajamas. Today I will.
कोशिश करना.
Today I will.
तय करना.
One important thing. Today I will not.
भूलना.
My keys. Hopefully. Today I will.
याद करना.
One new word. Today I.
उम्मीद करना.
For something good. Today I.
चाहना.
Progress, not perfection. Today I.
जरूरत होना.
Patience and maybe snacks. Today I will.
योजना बनाना.
My next study session. Friendly goodbye. You made it through all 8 verbs, and honestly, that is more productive than staring at your phone and calling it research. Today you learned.
कोशिश करना. तय करना. भूलना. याद करना. उम्मीद करना. चाहना. जरूरत होना.
And.
योजना बनाना.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and don't worry if you.
भूलना.
1 or 2 at first. Just.
कोशिश करना.
Again.
याद करना.
A little more each day, and come back soon.